So summer is here and I wanted to share this video with you. Not exactly a review, but just kind of an overview of two action camera handles that I purchased recently, and I want to show you why I chose the one that I did and the benefits of each. There will be a link in the description if you wish to purchase one. A lot of people that follow me use action cameras and GoPros quite often, so I thought this would be a useful video to share. So both of these are really lightweight telescoping poles, and the first one is made out of plastic, some kind of plastic material. It felt kind of flimsy in some parts, and the hinge at the bottom for the tripod legs felt like it might break if you put too much pressure on it. But I did like that I had a 1/4-20 mount at the bottom, so you could attach it on top of other things or add additional adapters to it. The second one I really liked because it was a really lightweight aluminum pole. They both have wrist straps, safety straps. The second one, however, had an adapter. You can mount 1/4-20 threaded pieces onto the handle for a smartphone adapter or anything else. The Telesin model has an adapter on the actual handle where you can thread on anything that's a 1/4-20 mount, so you can use the smartphone adapter that they have here, or you can put on things like a magic arm to hold a little light or field monitor, smartphone, or anything else that you want that mounts into a 1/4-20. Both handles are super useful and handy and lightweight, and I really like how they collapse down and fit right in your pocket, so you can take them to the skate park without having to bring a tripod out there or draw attention to yourself. I feel like both of these handles are pretty useful because they're compact and they're also really affordable. Purchase price was like below 30 bucks on both of these, I think, and you can take the risk without having to bring an expensive tripod somewhere and risk it being damaged. You could bring it to the ocean and get sand in it. I would, however, recommend use like a high percentage rubbing alcohol to clean it off so you keep sand out of the joints and the moving parts. But yeah, they're totally waterproof. The other thing I really like about using these handles is because they're so lightweight, it allows you the freedom to move them around and get creative with your filmmaking. If you're locked into a tripod, you sort of feel limited by the tools that you're using. So these things being lightweight, you can flip them around and do all kinds of crazy techniques and angles, and that kind of allows you more creativity in your filmmaking. I hope everyone has an awesome summer this year, and if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and click on that like button, and we'll see you in the next one.